Riya Chakrabarti has just arrived at the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Riya Chakrabarti has just arrived at the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Police officials somehow trying to remove media persons, trying to vacate media persons from there so that she could be taken in. There's a huge crowd of media persons and they're finding it. Police officials are finding it. Riya Chakrabarti has stepped out. Riya Chakrabarti has stepped out of the vehicle. She is being taken inside the Narcotics Control Bureau office.
Divyesh, keep speaking to us. Tell us what you're
Riya
seeing.
Chakrabarti has stepped out. She is being taken inside. She is being taken inside the Narcotics Control Bureau office by police officials. There is a huge crowd of media personnel over here. Riya Chakrabarti has been taken inside the building by police officials while police officials have shut the gates of the building. Riya Chakrabarti has stepped inside. She might enter any moment the third floor office of Narcotics Control Bureau.
Riya Chakrabarti there has just gone into the office.
She was escorted by police personnel.
You see
She's
there's
being
a lot of
taken to
police
the
there,
third floor
yes.
office of NCB, Narcotics Control Bureau.
She's inside the office now, refused to speak to the media there, Divyesh. Several reporters asking questions of her. She pushed right through with the help of the Mumbai police. She's gone in. This means officially now she will be interrogated by the Narcotics Control Bureau with regards to whether she consumed or purchased drugs. Big developments coming in on the story. Riya Chakrabarti there has just reached the NCB office, refusing to take any questions. We're going to play that sequence out for you again. That right there is when Riya stepped out of her vehicle. She made it very clear that she doesn't want to speak to the media. And then pushing through with the help of Mumbai police, she makes her way inside the office, refusing to really take any of those questions. Remember that she's put out a statement through her lawyer saying that I'm ready for arrest, ready to face all the consequences. I am innocent. That is her message as she goes into the NCB office now to face questioning on the drug link in this particular case. She's been questioned before by many agencies, and this is something that I've reiterated time and again. This time around, however, remember the circumstances that she's being questioned in. One, her brother has already been arrested. He is in the custody of the NCB. There have been statements that have named her directly with regards to the drug link. There are WhatsApp chats in which she is seen talking to people about consuming and procuring drugs. She's going to be questioned on all of this. There is a chance that she could be arrested today. I'm not going to say a 100% chance, but there is a likelihood. And Riya Chakrabarti on her part has said, I am not scared of arrest. I will face the consequences. I am innocent. I am not going to approach court for anticipatory bail. If I am arrested, so be it. That is the message from Riya Chakrabarti as she walked into the NCB office just a few minutes ago. Her formal interrogation will begin now. We'll have to see what really is the outcome of that. After her initial statement is recorded, what the NCB has told us is that if they find her answers to be evasive, to be half-baked, to be unsatisfactory, then she could be arrested, in which case, in 24 hours, she will also have to be produced in court. That is something that could happen perhaps later in the day. For the moment, she is going to be interrogated. Her statement is going to be recorded.